Welcome to Execution Planning. This is one of several courses that PMI have developed to support built environment professionals to further their learning and development, and is part of the construction professional and built environment projects. We are excited to have you as our latest learner. Click Begin to get started. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to review the course navigation features. If you are already familiar with how to navigate the course, click Next to bypass this overview. Simply use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate forward or to revisit slides. You can also jump directly to a desired slide using the Menu tab, which contains an index of all slides in this section. This course contains resources that are available for download. These can be found in the Resources tab, located here. That's it for now. Click Next to get started. When polling groups of experienced built environment project practitioners, the answers to one particular question are intriguingly predictable. Posed in a number of such gatherings is the following question. In one word, what area of project management and execution must be improved in order to substantially increase the value of project outcomes? Inescapably, the answers and their explanations from practitioners correlate primarily to planning. It is overwhelmingly apparent that many experienced project team members frequently encounter major execution challenges because of inadequate planning in the early stages as well as throughout the life cycles of projects. These challenges involve a variety of key project performance dimensions, including safety, productivity, quality, sequence, schedule, and cost. This execution planning course directly addresses the resounding opportunity for improvement in project planning across industry sectors. The course covers 3 complementary project planning and execution approaches that incorporate improved collaboration, communication, alignment, and team culture. These improvements better position project teams to plan and execute confidently and efficiently, to achieve their project objectives, and to enjoy a more rewarding project experience along the way. The objective of this execution planning course is to ensure that learners grasp the presented material in order to successfully promote and support implementing fundamentals of complementary project planning and execution approaches. The utilization of newer approaches in execution planning is critical to the success of built environment projects. In this course, we will focus on 3 innovative approaches: advanced work packaging, last planner system, and planning for completions, commissioning, and startup. The Construction Industry Institute, or CII, defines advanced work packaging, or AWP, as the overall process flow of all the detailed work packages. AWP is a planned, executable process that encompasses the work on a built environment project, beginning with initial planning and continuing through detailed design and construction execution. AWP provides the framework for productive and progressive construction. The Lean Construction Institute's Last Planner System, or LPS, promotes conversations between trade foremen and project management at appropriate levels of detail, and before issues become critical. These conversations increase the chances that work flows reliably and recognizes that personal relationships and peer pressure are critical to that process. LPS is a commitment-based system integrating 5 connected planning conversations. 1. Milestone planning. 2. Phase pull planning. 3. Look-ahead planning. 4. Weekly work planning. And 5. Learning. Achieving project and commissioning success requires a solid understanding of the construction completions, commissioning, and startup, or CCSU, activities to be undertaken and the associated responsibility assignments. CII research findings provide focused and substantive guidance on how project teams can enhance the effectiveness of CCSU transitions. This course is broken into the 9 sections listed here across Advanced Work Packaging, Last Planner System, and Planning for Completions, Commissioning, and Startup. The first 4 sections focus upon Advanced Work Packaging. Throughout these sections, you will learn the importance and benefits of AWP, the various types of work packages, different stages of the AWP implementation model, and tools and practices to support AWP implementation on your projects. The next 3 sections focus upon the Last Planner System. These sections will introduce you to Lean and LPS, including the key considerations for setting up LPS on projects, as well as the LPS principles and its inputs and outputs. The final 2 sections focus upon planning for completions, commissioning, and startup. During these sections, you will learn the importance of early planning for CCSU activities, find out the tools and techniques to effectively plan your transitions, and learn the common critical success factors for project execution planning. To get the most out of each section in the course, you should access the recommended further reading, download the documents and templates, and complete the quiz questions. Congratulations! You have now completed the Introduction to Execution Planning. In the next section, AWP Introduction and Components, you will learn about background aspects of AWP and why AWP is important, key components of AWP and how they interrelate, and select terms in the AWP vocabulary.